Here I can use a property of exponential function so that our expression of integration can get simplified. So e power log x a equals to a. This is the property of popular property of the exponential function. So our integration will be now cos cube x. Here it will become sin x dx. Now I can use the substitution method. If I substitute cos x equals to t, I'll get minus sin x dx equals to dt. We are given sin x dx in the integration, so sin x dx will be minus of dt. So our integration will be t cube into minus dt. So I can write minus integration t cube dt. So integration of t cube is t power 4 by 4. So and value of t is cos x, so minus cos power 4 by x by 4 plus c. This will be our final answer.